If your establishment offers things such as pickups, deliveries, and reservations, then one application you're going to want to take a look at is Members. Located in the pull-down menu for Members and VIP, we have a number of different settings here. The first one we're going to take a look at is Set up Member Groups. Now within this, you can group your members into different groupings of your choice. So within this, for example, I've got one of business. I also have a seniors group, student group, and a VIP group. Now within each one of these, there are some fields that you can also apply. The first one being points rate. Now one of the things that PixelPoint offers pertaining to members is client retention programs. So within this, for example, I can assign points to different products on the system. For example, I've got a hamburger and I give it 10 points. Now this is a field that resides within product setup, by the way. So for every hamburger I order, I get 10 points. And what will happen is that 10 points will be applied to my membership record. And for every hamburger I order, I continue to get more points and more points for it. And then maybe by the time I get, let's say, 100 points, then within coupon setup, you'll find in there that there's an option that allows you to redeem those points for promotional items, such as maybe a discount or a free shirt or whatever the case. Now, this field here, points rate, allows you to apply a multiplier to the accumulation of those points. And some groups may offer different points rates than others. So for example, if I'm a member of the VIP group, I want to be that instead of maybe the business group. And instead of having a points rate of 1, I'll have a points rate of 2. Now in doing that, what happens now is that when I order that hamburger with the 10 points, because I'm a member of the VIP group, when those points are applied across, it will see it's got a points rate of 2. So that's 10 times 2. So I will actually get 20 points rather than 10 points. And so this allows you to scale now in terms of the accumulation of points between different groups. With that being said, then you can also offer different incentive programs. So for example, for 100 points, you get a 10% discount. For 1,000,000 points, you get a trip to the Bahamas, or whatever the case. And certain groups will be able to achieve some levels, but not others. And based on the points rate, that determines what is the likelihood that you will be able to work your way up to the higher end prizes as well. Another thing we can offer in here is auto apply coupon. So for example, if I'm a member of the seniors group, then in here I can have auto apply coupon, and so just by being a senior member, I am entitled to a 10% off discount that will be automatically applied to the check just because I'm a member of the seniors group. The final thing we have here is member price level. Now you can apply price levels to different things in the system. This is done within product setup. So for example, for a hamburger, I may normally charge $4, but I will have a price level B where it might be $3.50. Now, if that is the case, then I can actually go in here and for this group of members, let's say the seniors, for example, I can go down to price level B. So by being a senior member applied to the check, then going into this, the system will force price level B instead of price level A to this check. And then I will have special pricing just based on that group.